Uh-oh, look what I did. Hey everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, WYGO stands for when you get old. Alright, I have a confession to make. So in March, I did a Macy's haul. If you missed that video, I will link it in the eye above. And after I do a haul, takes like a week for the products to arrive, and then it typically sits around for a week or two before I can film. And then a few days go by, then it takes me several days to edit the video. And when I'm editing a video, I typically pull screenshots. Well, to pull a screenshot, I have to go back to where I did the haul. So on my Macy's haul, I'm on Macy's taking screenshots of my favorite pants. And guess what? They were 50% off. Yes, in my haul they were on sale, I want to say like 30% off, but 50% off? Of course I had to buy more. And while I was on Macy's, I was like, what else is 50% off? So that's what we have today. Yes, do I have a shopping problem? Probably. But to be fair, until recently, I hadn't bought new clothes since pre-pandemic, and I've lost a ton of weight. So this is how I'm rationalizing it. I also picked up not one, but 2 pairs of shoes. Most women have like closets full of shoes. Not me. I literally have 2 styles of shoes that I wear. My fall, winter, mules, slides, and then my summertime slip-ons. Yes, and I like each pair so much that I have 2 of them. 2 per pair. So 4 pairs of shoes is what I own. Well, a few others, but you know, how often am I going hiking? All right, enough rambling. Let's get started. Let's actually start with what I think is going to be a pair of shoes, because I made this haul almost a month ago. It's been sitting for quite some time for me to film, and I honestly can't remember, other than every pair of shoes I buy, as well as pants and tops, are going to be black, and I like a slip-on. Alright, yes, I was correct. It is a pair of shoes. What a fancy box. Ooh, Bella Vita, and they're made in Italy? Wow. That to me is really fancy, because when it comes to clothing and shoes, I don't want to say cheap, but to me, if something's more than like 40 bucks, it's pricey. Alright, here they are. Let me take the tissue out. They are just a standard flat Lazy Girl style slip-on. They do have a little extra something. I'm going to upload a photo because since they're black, you probably won't be able to see the details. Let me see if they actually fit. Alright, I didn't want to gross anyone out or contribute to anyone's foot fetishes, so I will just let you know that they look cute and they're a little snug, but they claim they're Italian leather, so I assume after I like walk in them a few times that they will kind of loosen up a bit. So hopefully they work out and are comfortable. Alright, this next box is also a pair of shoes. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I struggled to figure out how to get this box open. Alright, so here we have another pair of flat slide-ons. These feel more like they're going to be closer to a very fancy, kind of like a flip-flop, but if it was a slide-on, maybe not. I don't know. They feel a little, yeah, the soles kind of feel like what a flip-flop sole would be like. But look how cute these are. Again, I will insert a photo so you can actually see what I am seeing. I don't know why black is so hard to pick up on camera. Alright, so the question is, will these fit and will they be comfortable? Because unlike the other pair that was leather or fake leather, which will kind of expand, this is kind of a stiffer, like lace. And so hopefully my big old fat feet will fit in them. Alright, yes, they fit. Again, a little snug. I'm going to have to wear them around the house to see if they are something that will be comfortable. Alright, now on to the big bag. I should know by now that when it comes to clothing, I should open those right away. Honestly, I will sit on certain hauls for like 2 weeks before I can film. But then I'm reducing any return window, which, let's cross our fingers, everything fits and works out. All right, I got 3 pairs of the Bootcut high-rise leggings. I will insert a photo. These literally are what I wear every single day. They're super comfortable, but they don't look like a legging because they are bootcut. They look like a normal, or at least what I think looks like, just a nice black pair of pants. I wear them to work. I wear them when I go out to go shopping. I wear them if I go to the doctor's office. If I'm going out to dinner, I wear them literally every single day. So having more is perfect because over time, you know, you get a little hole or a snag or a stain. And also sometimes they're just stuck in the laundry cycle and I'm always searching for a new pair. I then picked up 2 pairs of the leggings. The difference is these aren't boot cut, so they taper. And I went for a petite extra large because I'm hoping they'll be a little more kind of capri or a little more cropped for summertime. Fingers crossed when I try them on, they fit. I scored a really good deal on their sale because those pants, I bought 5 pairs, are normally $30 each, $29.99, and they were on sale for $14.99. All right, I didn't realize how short of a video this would be, particularly if I'm just 3 of the same thing holding up and showing a photo. Let me share 2 other small mini hauls because they wouldn't be enough to do their own video. So last month, I picked up one of the Free Gift Friday products that Test Tube or New Beauty advertises every Friday, or not every Friday, just about maybe 3 out of the 4 Fridays in a month. They will, if you're signed up for their text messages, send you a text and list a product. It's gone up. It used to be like $8.95, $9.95. I think it's now up to $12.95 for the shipping and handling, but the product itself is free. So for a $50, $60, $70 product, I'm willing to spend $13. I have no memory what I ordered. All right, so what is this? Okay, it's from a brand called SKINMEDICA, and it's Even and Correct dark spot cream. All right, well, I definitely have some dark spots. The question is it for under the eyes or just like on your face? Or, ooh, wouldn't it be nice if you could use it in either area? I'm definitely going to need my little friend for this one. Okay, so this says, for all skin types, the fast-acting spot treatment addresses the appearance of even the most stubborn dark spots left by skin damage from acne or sun exposure. Yes, okay, PM only. So yeah, it's definitely not for under the eyes, but I have some beautiful, sarcastically, sunspots right here and here because I always have my window down driving, and for years and years I didn't wear sunscreen. So if you're watching this and you don't wear sunscreen, wear your sunscreen. All right, definitely worth $13. All right, this next haul of products is from Walgreens, and honestly, when I made the purchase, I figured, oh, that's enough to actually do an entire video, but they didn't send me half of my order. I'm assuming because they weren't in stock. I don't know. The last few times I've made a purchase from Walgreens.com, even though I don't use or have DoorDash, Uber Eats, or any of those services, because let's face it, I'm cheap. So I spend enough to get free shipping, which with Walgreens is $35. And so I was buying what I wanted to buy and then picking up some staples. And then I always look what's on sale. And they had some drugstore brands that were like, buy one, get one 50% off. Yada, yada. I ended up spending like, I want to say like $50. But then there was like a manufacturer's coupon. They had like some spring sale going on. And then I had enough Walgreens points for $5 off. So the whole order was like $50, but I got like $10 off. So it was like $40. But then this shows up on my doorstep literally the very next day, which was cool to get that quick of shipping because they use DoorDash. Hey, free shipping for me, DoorDash quick arrival. But then I look in the bag and like half the order's gone. The grand total went from like 40 bucks down to $22. Let me show you the reason I actually did the haul and then the extras. So in my April empties video, I emptied one of these and wanted to restock. This here is the Tropical Breeze Sun-In. And I normally, or this will be the third and the fourth one. Previously, I just picked up one. I thought, you know what? Let's pick up multiple so that I'm not doing so many Walgreens hauls. As I explained before, I hate paying shipping, yada yada. I end up buying more than I really need. So I got two of these. I also emptied a Yummy Gloss from CoverGirl and love it and wanted to get more. CoverGirl was having a buy one, get one 50% off, but oddly, even though I ordered two, only one came in the order, which is kind of annoying because I did the BOGO. So what flavor did they send me? Because I really wanted that Coconuts About You to be replaced. Is this Coconuts About You? Yay! Yes, this is Coconuts About You. This is like my favorite. It smells and tastes really, really good. Maybelline was also having a buy one, get one 50% off. And it's time that I restocked one of my Holy Grail mascaras. This here is the Falsies Lash Lift in Waterproof. This was going to be the 50% off freebie because they always make you pay full price for the more expensive one. I was going to get a Maybelline foundation, the kind that's like the concealers that come in the stick with the little sponge tip. I used to use those years ago, and I want to say they stopped making them, or I haven't seen them for a long time. And when I saw it, I was like, heck yeah, Lazy Girl approved, easy to toss in the purse. You just kind of roll it up and then you tap it on. But guess what? That didn't show up in my bag either. And the manufacturer's coupon was like if you spent $1 amount, it was like $3. But if you spent over 20, which I was, it was a $5 off manufacturer's coupon. Lost out on that. And also, if I'm only spending 20 bucks, I wouldn't have used the $5 off Walgreens rewards or whatever. I would have saved that for a more expensive purchase. So, anyways, I still need these products and will use them. I'm just upset that half my order didn't arrive and all the coupons and goodies that were going to save me a bunch of money kind of went for naught. But I'm curious if you've experienced the same or similar shopping online from Walgreens. All right, now I want to hear from you. Let me know if you shop Macy's, Walgreens, or if you're signed up to get notifications about the free gift Friday. Not every product is a gem, but when they have a good one, it's a good one and definitely worth $13. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.